Hello friends, welcome to Fortune Mantra YouTube channel, astrology channel. Today we will talk about Saturn in all houses of your birth chart. Saturn is a very strict planet, is a very hard line planet. It is very different planet from all other. It does not give quick results. It does not give fruitful results as you do any remedies. All the people living around the world scare when they hear the word Saturn. Mostly Indian people or mostly the people who know about astrology, they know Saturn properties, Saturn characteristics and Saturn powers. What exactly planet Saturn can do in our life. People know about Saturn, people fear about Saturn, but I want to say that Saturn is a very calm planet. The people belonging to Saturn, the people belonging to Capricorn zodiac sign or Aquarius, Saturn is a very calm planet. Saturn disturbs people's life. People might feel, people might say to others. But actually, Saturn is a very loving planet. Saturn is a teacher. Mainly, Saturn is a teacher. Saturn is a judge who wants you to be excellent all the time in all the field where you work. And it is a very, actually it is applicable to Aquarius and Capricorn zodiac sign people, because a loyal person, a person, gentle person never allows own children if they do any bad activities in their life. He may allow others, but such a father never allow his own children that they will spoil their life and they will be allowed. This don't happen in actual life. So as a gentle father, as a father, kind father of children, don't allow their children to spoil their own life. In this way, the father of planets is a Saturn. Saturn is not a father of planets, but it is very mighty planet, powerful planet. If it exalted, it makes king to a beggar, and if debilitated, it makes a king a beggar. So these are all things happen in world, you believe or not, but such things really exist. So today we will talk about Saturn and its effects in all 12 houses of your birth chart. Mainly Saturn in the first house don't give good results. Such a person will be alcoholic, will be very cruel, will be blackish. He will not be fair person. His eyes may be bigger and the eyes would be reddish. The eyes would be always little reddish. There will be a reddishness on his eyes, and such a person will not get success till the life of 45 age. In the second house, Saturn gives very nice results because it is the house of Venus, and Venus is very close friend of Saturn. So here Saturn gives blessings to the native, and such a person have immense wealth if he do hard work. In the third house, Saturn is a natural karaka, natural significator of this sthan, of this house. So such person are very brave, daring people. These people don't fear to do anything in life. They have excellent communication skill. In the fourth house, Saturn gives bad results, as the fourth house is of moon. Cancer sign is in the fourth house, so here Saturn gives separation from his family, the person lives away from his own land, own house. In the fifth house, it is the sthan of father of Saturn. Fifth house is the sun house, Surya sthan. So here he give mixed results, not so bad, not so good, but such people get difficulties during the birth of their children, or after the birth of their children they don't get pleasure from their progenies. Such have been seen. In the sixth house, Saturn conquers with your enemies. You get victories over court cases, legal matters. You get a good job. In the seventh house, it is the house of exalted Saturns. In the seventh house, Saturn gets exalted, so such a person get a pretty tall, slender wife, loving wife, nice wife. And we see this placement in mostly in landowners, in builders, in farmers, big farmers. In the eighth house, Saturn gives so many sorrows till the age of 40-45. If these people keep away themselves from alcohol and meat, they get good results. But commonly such people get too many problems in their life. But these people are scholars, researchers, hard workers, and in this placement Saturn gives illness during till the age of 45 and gives longevity. In the ninth house, Saturn gives mixed results, not so good, not so bad. Such people are hardline people, orthodox people, traditional people. They believe in tradition, customs, religion, and these people might get difficulty in higher education, but they get themselves in foreign land at the age of 35. In the 10th house, as the natural sthan, own house of Saturn, Capricorn sign is of Saturn. Such people are very hardworking, very famous in public. Such people get government jobs, and some also seen in politics, 10th house politics, name, fame. So these people get big name, fame if Saturn is in 10th house, and they mostly in government jobs we have seen. In the 10th house, own sign of Saturn, Aquarius, occupies in this house. So people are very friendly, very talkative. So many friends they have, and they fall in love. They do love marriage as it is expected by 5th house. So they do love marriage, and they are successful people in their field, business or job. In the 12th house, Saturn gives job, like a person working in hospital, jail, court, in the legal court, in the legal matters, advocate, mostly in the legal thing, or hospital, or in the prisons. So why? Because Saturn is a lonely lover. It likes to live alone. So here also we have seen some placements in the people who are working in the spiritual field, religion field. Some people are seen saint who have Saturn in the 12th house. It gives immense loneliness, detachment from the world, and it is believed in astrology that it gives liberation after the death, means moksha these people get. So these are all the things which one get if Saturn have 12 houses, sitting in various different 12 houses. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe our channel Fortune Mantra. Thank you so much.